Greetings, this is Dr. Hadley, and this is another video in our series of videos on developing your WordPress site. In this video, we're going to talk about creating a custom menu. What you have here and what we did in the last video is we created a number of pages. We created a blog page, a coursework page, goals, outside classroom, resume, and welcome. We didn't fill these up with any content yet, but we're just creating the tabs. What you'll see is that they are laid out in alphabetical order. But let's say we don't want them in alphabetical order. Let's say we want the welcome page to come before the blog page and right after the home page in the menu. How do we change it? Go up to WordPress site, and actually what we want to do is create a custom menu. So you're going to scroll down to menus, click on menus, and once you get to this page, we're actually going to create a new menu. So let's give this menu a name. Let's call it menu 2. Create menu, and this will be a new default menu. And we're going to start making some changes. So we want everything to stay the same, but we want this welcome menu to move up to be right after the home tab on the menu. So we want to move the welcome tab to the top of this list. It is now at the top, but we want it after the home tab. So let's move it down 1. So now we have the home tab, the welcome tab, and then the other tabs which are still in alphabetical order. So let's scroll down and click create menu. And save this menu. You see now welcome comes right after home. Let's save this menu. And the theme location, it is the primary navigation. This is going to be the primary navigation, or the menu that is, this custom menu will be the primary navigation on our page. We'll save the menu. But let's say, for example, this box wasn't clicked and we saved the menu, this primary navigation. What impact would that have? Let's go back to our site, visit the site. Uh-oh, welcome's not in the right place. What happened? I thought we changed it. Let's go back to the menus page. And what we did there, when we unchecked this theme locations box, basically our WordPress site doesn't know that we want this custom menu to be the menu that is going to be in place on our site. So one of two ways we could do this. Let's click on manage locations, and the custom menu we created is called menu 2. So primary navigation, it's asking us to select a menu. If we click here, we see menu 2 here. If we select menu 2 and save changes and go back to our edit menus page, you'll see when we scroll down now that primary navigation box is checked. We could check this box directly, or we could go to this manage locations box and select. If we had, say, 4, 5, 6 different menus, we might need to go to manage locations to see the different menus that we want. But now that we've saved this, if we go back to visit the site, you will see that the welcome tab now comes before blog in this custom menu. And this custom menu, which is menu number 2 that we created, is now the primary navigation for our website. So we'll come back next and we'll do some more, make some more changes. Hope this video was helpful for you. Take care.